Good afternoon, welcome back to Walkaround Leisure. Another new one for you today, Swift FREESTYLE SE. It's the S4 EB, based on a Major 4 EB basically. So we've got the end bedroom with the mid washroom, motor mover, gas barbecue point, and a external power point as well. Really is a lovely van, ideal layout, lots of separation inside. She's really clean, tidy, as you would expect from us here. As I say, she's got her manual engaged motor mover down there as well. Let's go inside and have a look. I say 2019, make a lovely caravan for somebody this. I say really sought after layout. Nice light and area with all the big windows. Decent upholstery as well with the purple. So we've dressed it up a little bit in here just so you can see what it may look like with some bits and pieces in it. Got your Swift command panel over the top of the door there. Lovely kitchen with a three-way fridge. And we've got our separate oven, separate grill and a 3 gas burner hob. Got a microwave as well. Going into the bathroom, nice centre washroom, so we can separate this off completely. Thetford toilet. Lots of light coming from that frosted window as well. I say 2 sliding doors going into the bedroom with our wash basin situated in the middle. Lovely backlit mirror. And decent full enclosed shower. And then of course our lovely rear island bed at the rear. Lots of storage underneath that of course as well, and we can put a TV up on the wall as well. So as I say, fully serviced, all ready to go. Come and have a look at it. We can do virtual appointments if you can't get down, do a video call with you and show you around the van. We can also deliver it free of charge onto your driveway in 150 miles as per usual. But yeah, really worth having a look at this one. Give us a shout if you need us at all. Walkaround Leisure.